welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Listen, before we get started in all this goodness, I need y'all to do one thing for me. I need y'all to love on me. Like this video, leave a comment, share with someone, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you be notified each and every single time I upload burgers and animal style fries, homemade, period. Y'all, I've been seeing just about everybody do these. Lord, I thank you. And I've come to the realization that they're not bringing it to the East Coast. So I had to make some homemade, which is fine, because, you know, I like my cooking. And it was cheaper, I'm sure. So, and we have homemade burgers. One jalapeno and one double cheese with a whole lot of going on. Y'all with me? I'm sorry for this clicking and clacking. But we need to get all this goodness up out of here. Yes. There's also some onions. Some sauteed onions. Caramelized. Boom. Make it look like something. It smells so good. It smells so good. How that look? Talk to me nice. So don't talk to me at all, period. Also, I want to give a shout out to Valerie. Hey girl, listen, you be in them comments like clockwork. Even in old videos, you be up and through the comments and all that, going back and watching all the old videos and stuff. I appreciate your support. Please keep it coming. Influence these other people. There's a few more of y'all out there that be doing it too. I'm gonna get to y'all, but today is Valerie's day, so shout out to you, Valerie. And we also have some some tropical island Tropicana.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about. God, that's what I'm talking about.
Cheers to you. We gonna get into this. Ooh. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing today? This is gonna be messy, y'all. I'm probably not gonna do too much talking. Oh. Yes. That cheese don't want to let up. Get you some. Y'all, I'm gonna be upset if this is crooked. Start with the jalapeno burger and a bite. Look at her. juicy. Red onion, jalapeno, sharp cheddar cheese, some secret sauce, mustard, pickle. Damn, that's good. What do y'all having? It's Friday. You just got paid. You gonna treat yourself, or you cooking something? But the itis ain't no pump. Oh, she's here. She is here. Itis here. Yeah, like we used to do in school. She is present. These patties are hella thick. It's so good. So good. I've had the longest day. The longest day. And I still came through, put all this together. Put all this together. And I'm here. Y'all didn't watch that last video, please do me a favor and go back and watch the last video. I truly appreciate it. I'm not one of them. Y'all can get me on this camera looking crazy now. I'm already looking crazy sitting here chomping down like this. So me getting on me talking about some, you wipe your face too much, you wipe your mouth too much, you lick your fingers too much. Mine. I'm joking, but it is mine, just in case you didn't know. Y'all might tease y'all a little bit with this other burger. This might have to be for lunch tomorrow. Since I'm not recording tomorrow, at least I have that, you know. I definitely teased y'all, didn't I? Girl, I can't eat that right now. I'm cooked. You know when you cook and you instantly sit down and eat that, 1 + 1 = 2, not 4. Okay? I don't know what it is. It's like when you're standing over the stove cooking your food and then your appetite just disappears. I don't like that because I be hungry. And I have a game plan in my head. I'm like, okay, I get on this video, I'm gonna smash this food up. They're gonna be like, woo, 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 go boy, go. And there's gonna be another one for the mother books, you hear me? But it ain't working out like that. It's not working out like that, y'all. So I'm gonna get this out the way. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get up out y'all way. Gonna relax. Finally, it's been a day. Yes, Lord, it's been a day. And I tried to melt the cheese last because I knew they would thicken up and all that stuff, and then it would just be like kaput, which is what it did. Because that's all cheese with a little bit of fries up under it. I ain't doing that. I'll be up on the toilet all night long, all night. But ain't she cute though? She real priority. I just can't do it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I have. It was delicious, but it was a bit much. You know, a lot of this is for show. We eat what we can. We don't hurt ourselves unless you got it like that. You know, sometimes, some days, I actually do, you know, get down with the get down, but it just, you know, it be picking his own battles. It be picking his own battles. And it, when I'm referring to it, is my stomach. Girl, some days she's just an empty pit and I could just go and I can go and I can go. And some days it's like, chill out. Anyways, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I will catch you all in the next one Sunday. I'll have one out for you guys Sunday. It's gonna be a good one. I be having mine planned out ahead of time, so I don't have to be like, because it's already, you know, a struggle getting into the studio to get all this situated. But it's another thing because I'm cutting back on a lot of fast food, so I'm cooking everything. And yeah. But next month, how do y'all feel about if I do like a whole month full of seafood, like just straight seafood? I can get down with that. Like I could finish everything if it was seafood. So I'm thinking that if y'all agree, leave that down in the comment. Also, leave just some other suggestions or whatever you guys want to see. Leave it down in the comment and we'll get it cracking. Also, I'm still got, you know, a couple of challenges that I'm going to do. I already have those challenges of what I want to do. We're going to get those out of the way as well. And yeah. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like it, leave a comment, share with someone, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified each and every single time I upload. I will catch you guys in the next video. I love you. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Peace. Cool it down.